Welcome to Cubedex, an advanced algorithm trainer designed to help you master Rubik's Cube algorithms and build them into your muscle memory. It supports both Smartcubes and regular non-Bluetooth-enabled cubes, making it versatile for all cubers. This is the main practice interface, where you can choose a category, such as PLL, OLL, or F2L, and then select a specific subset within that category. You can select all cases using the Select All option. To set the learning status for any algorithm, click on the bookmark icon. An orange icon with a plus sign indicates that you are currently learning the algorithm, a green checkmark shows you've already learned it, and a cross means you haven't learned it yet. If you want to practice only the algorithms you're learning, use the Select Learning toggle in the options. For example, let's practice the T-perm using a regular cube. Since it's not connected via Bluetooth, we'll need to start and stop the timer manually. On a computer, you can use the spacebar, or on a touchscreen device like a smartphone or tablet, tap the area around the cube and timer to start and stop it. If you want to set up your cube for the algorithm you're practicing, click on the Scramble to a button. It will display the scramble you need to perform to match the virtual cube. And now we have the cube set up for the T-perm and we can start the timer by pressing space. You can see the timer stopped at 2.73 seconds, and it switched to the next selected algorithm, in this case the AA-perm. Now, let's connect the Smartcube to explore the features specific to it. Once connected, Cubedex will automatically detect errors in your execution and provide guidance on correcting them. When setting up a case with the Smartcube, Cubedex calculates the scramble based on the cube's current state, even adjusting if you make a mistake during setup. If you prefer not to see the algorithm's moves during practice, you can click the Mask Alg button to hide them. You can monitor your progress using counters that track your correct and incorrect attempts. Cubedex lets you customize your practice drills. You can add options like random AUF, or sort algorithms in random order, or show slow cases first, and use prioritize failed cases to make the algorithms where you need more practice appear more often. For practicing two-sided recognition, you can disable showing the case name and, if your cube has a gyroscope, the virtual cube will mimic your movements. You can disable this setting in the options menu so you don't have any hints. You can also mask the algorithm for a more challenging exercise. If the virtual cube doesn't match your physical cube's orientation, use the Reset Gyroscope option. To synchronize the cube state, click on Reset State when your cube is solved. This will align your physical cube with the virtual cube. To add a new algorithm, click on New Alg and fill in the details, including category, subset, and name. Cubedex will create a new category if it doesn't already exist, or it will add your algorithm to the appropriate category. The Help section provides a guide for getting started and tips for optimizing your practice drills. You can switch between help instructions for Smartcubes and regular cubes. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Happy cubing and enjoy using Cubedex.